Another day is coming to a close. We've been sitting here in this day use spot today, doing little repairs on the ORV and just hanging out being lazy, but we're gonna have to move because gotta go find us a spot to stay for the night. I think I'm gonna go back into town because tomorrow I gotta pick up my radiator. They called and said it came in today, so I gotta go pick that up. And need to get some antifreeze and a few supplies where I can change that out. So yeah, I'm probably gonna sit here for a few more minutes because it's cooled off, got a breeze, and it just feels really nice. Just a really nice spot to hang out. But anywho, we'll catch you probably later when I get to wherever I'm gonna park, or I'll see you in the morning. Well, here we are in our luxurious accommodations for the night. We're staying at the 5-star Walmart. You can't see it right now because it's such luxurious and extravagant accommodations that all the truck drivers stay here too. But I'm only staying here tonight. We come into town, and I only chose to stay right here because my radiator is at a parts store, which is literally across the road. You can't see it, but right through them trees there across the highway is a parts store that has my radiator. So no parking in their parking lot, but good old Walmart. I'm gonna stay here, get up bright and early, and go straight across there and get it. Okay, we made it back here to the Land Between the Lakes after a fine stay at the hotel Walmart last night. I went and picked up my radiator this morning. I've got it. Found me a place where I can put it in. That's the tricky part about living on the road. Some things it's so hard to get done. I mean, I know some people would just go out here in the woods or something, just unhook it and pour antifreeze and oil all over the ground, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to find me a place to go do it. But hang on, let me turn you around. There's old Rusty Russ sitting there looking all proud. But I'm back here, like I said, in the LBO. The reason I still buy the yearly permit, oh yeah, if anybody's coming to LBO, none of the campgrounds are free anymore. There's like 2. They charge for all campgrounds now, so the annual permit's not as great as it used to be, but I still buy it. And it's went from $30 to $50. But the reason I still went ahead and got it, because you can still disperse camp, you know, off in the woods, especially if you hike or tent camper. Still pretty good. I mean, it's cheap. And I can still camp a lot of places with this. There's tons, you know, I know, sure off the top of my head, 10 or 12 places I can back in the woods and camp, so it's still a good deal. But it also gives you unlimited dump station, unlimited fresh water, which is what I'm doing right now. So, yeah. All right, let me finish this. I've already dumped my tanks. Working on well, actually my fresh water's done. I just shut it off, but let me get all this put away and we'll go find us a place to camp. So we got our water tank full, got everything done, and I come out here and snag me a free camping spot. Foot traffic only beyond this point. Okay, so I mean, even though they're charging in all the established campgrounds, there's still some pretty decent free ones around. Let me turn you around and I'll show you this one. So here I am. I'm backed in here. Some people look like somebody's been camping up there, but that looks like really soft sandy dirt. And if pretty good chance of rain tonight. Kind of sprinkles some this night. But anyway, I just don't want to get stuck there. But this is where I come out and found. So I'm backed in here, getting distracted, looking for old Russ. I see him down there now. But I backed in here, out of the way. Like I said, some people's look like they've been camping up there, tent camping or something. But this is my view. Nice little lake. This spot here, I can't think what it's called. Some of you probably know it. POA, Becky and them, I'm sure they know this spot, but for the life of me, I can't think of it. But anyway, it's a great place to come see eagles. There's always eagles out here. I just can't think what it's called right now. Anywho, there's some ducks out on the water. I see them. You can actually go on the other side. If you might be able to see the car over there, you can actually camp over there. But I started to go, but I couldn't remember if I could get in there with this little RV or not. So instead of making that long drive, I just grabbed this side. Glad to have it. Right now, me and Russ is the only one here. That'll probably change this weekend. I'm sure there'll be people coming in and out during the day, but come this weekend, you know, that looks like a pretty popular little bar drinking spot, so I'm sure someone will be out here, but I'll be gone by then. I'm planning on leaving out Friday afternoon, going back to my brother's, and his little girl's birthday is actually today, but celebrating it Saturday. I know I'm looking for my dog. Okay, I see his tail. I don't even get lost. That's my buddy. There he is. Yeah. Now he's drinking old nasty pond water. Can't get him to drink a single drop of fresh, clean water I put in his bowl, but he'll drink sewer water. Dog don't make no sense to me. But he's a pretty good old boy. Anyhow, yep, this is gonna be camp for the night. Actually for 2 nights. I'm gonna stay here 2 nights. Don't think I got nowhere to be. I feel a sneeze coming. Excuse me. Pardon me. Yeah, like I said, I don't have nowhere to be, so I don't need rushing around just driving up and down the road for no reason. So we're just gonna hang out here. It's really hot and muggy today. I was thinking about backing up a little bit further, getting in the shade, because the sun just popped out. And as far as solar, my solar panels are in the back, but I don't really, I don't really need the battery power right now. I'm not running nothing but the water pump off of it. As y'all know, I buy them for my lights. I buy them outdoor, like patio lights from Lowe's that are solar powered. Oh, you might remember the one I had in the van. I don't know. It's like a light that has its own solar panel. So I always buy them for my lights, just to, take a little strain off the house batteries. And so I don't even need no batteries, solar for the lights. I hope some of that made sense to you, because I already got myself confused. The point of saying is, I'm gonna stay here in the shade. It's hot. All right. Let me pause this, and we're gonna set up camp, and we'll come back later this afternoon. Russ, buddy, you better stay out of those snaky weeds. Okay, we'll be back.